Welcome to samaditech, your go-to destination for the latest advancements in tools and technology. Join us as we showcase expertly curated collections of cutting-edge tools designed for every project you can imagine. Greenworks 40-volt cordless chainsaw is a robust tool equipped with a 16-inch bar powered by a removable 4-amp-hour battery. A battery charger is included for convenience, weighing 10.36 pounds. The chainsaw features a brushless motor for enhanced power, durability, and minimal maintenance. Safety is prioritized with an automatic chain brake, while an automatic oiling system ensures smooth operation by lubricating the bar and chain. The tool also includes a quick, tool-free chain tensioning feature for easy adjustments without removing the protective cover. Operation is simple, just press a button to get started. High-pressure inflator is an excellent and versatile inflation tool capable of reaching up to 100 psi, making it perfect for bike tires, sports balls, and even car tires. Its smart and compact design ensures that all components, including the 6-inch hose and nozzles, are neatly stored in one place, preventing loss. A digital display shows the current pressure, while an LED indicator warns of low battery levels. It features a rechargeable USB battery, allowing you to charge it via power bank, computer, or standard outlet. The inflator also includes a durable case with a convenient loop, making it easy to hang in your garage or workshop for quick access. Packer Band Portable Wrench is an indispensable tool for accessing hard-to-reach areas. Its innovative design enables loosening or tightening nuts and bolts where traditional tools fall short. Powered by a robust 18-volt brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 55 foot-pounds of torque. Compatible with all max-output lithium-ion batteries, the unit is sold without a battery. Featuring a 3/8-inch ratchet mechanism, it weighs 2.79 pounds and includes a rubberized handle for comfort and a durable, impact-resistant body. A conveniently placed push button on the body allows for effortless, one-handed operation. HOTO Electric Screwdriver is a versatile and dependable tool for household tasks, offering an array of practical features. Powered by a 1500 milliamp-hour battery, it charges conveniently via a USB-C cable. For ease of use, it includes built-in LED lighting to illuminate the workspace. With a maximum rotation speed of 220 revolutions per minute, a current capacity of 1 amp, and an operating voltage of 3.6 volts, it ensures efficient performance. The set includes 12 magnetized attachments, and its rubberized surface provides a secure grip. Weighing just 0.5 pounds, it is lightweight and comes with a protective plastic case. The screwdriver supports both electric and manual operation, and its smart sensor automatically shuts off the device in unsafe conditions for added safety. Pro Bike Tool is a compact and efficient bicycle pump, perfect for inflating road, mountain, and other bike tires. It enables quick inflation using a CO2 canister. Simply screw the canister onto the valve, activate it, attach it to the tire, and inject air. To prevent frost-related injuries during use, the device includes a protective cover. A built-in lever allows for precise control of the CO2 injection speed. After use, the canister can be easily removed or replaced. Crafted from lightweight and durable aluminum alloy, this tire inflator is both robust and portable. AGP Electric Diamond Chainsaw simplifies sawing and cutting through concrete, metal, and wood materials of various sizes. Compact and versatile, it delivers a cutting depth of up to 12 inches, equipped with a powerful 3,200-watt motor. It ensures smooth and efficient operation, supported by a soft start function and built-in overheat and overload protection. Engineered for demanding conditions, this tool excels at right-angle cuts, deep cuts, and precision holes without overcuts. Its design reduces fumes, noise, and vibration while eliminating the need for a hydraulic power unit. Weighing just 9 kilograms, the chainsaw is easy to maneuver and transport, while its load indicator maximizes productivity. Ideal for professional use in tough environments, this saw combines performance with ease of use. StripMeister is a compact device designed for quick and efficient wire stripping. Lacking a built-in power unit, it operates using a standard drill or screwdriver, offering enhanced convenience. Essentially, it functions as a sophisticated attachment for your screwdriver, capable of removing insulation from wires of nearly any complexity. Featuring ultra-grip wire feed technology, it untangles wires and boosts the power unit's torque, speeding up your tasks. Lightweight and portable, this tool is perfect for on-the-go use and accommodates wire diameters ranging from 0.08 to 0.79 inches. Black & Decker cordless tool set combo empowers you to tackle a wide range of tasks effortlessly. Powered by a dependable lithium-ion battery, this set includes 6 adaptable attachments: a screwdriver, jigsaw, oscillating tool, router, sander, and impact wrench, making it ideal for various home projects. The innovative Matrix Quick Connect system allows for fast and easy attachment changes, while the 20-volt max motor delivers consistent power. The max battery provides up to 18 months of standby time, so your tools are always ready. Compact in design, the set comes with a handy carrying case, saving space and simplifying storage and transport. BESSEY WS 6-angle clamp is expertly designed to hold workpieces at various angles, including 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees. It securely fixes materials, allowing for convenient welding or fastening by other methods, suitable for wood, steel, plastic, and more. This clamp offers versatility and ease of use. Constructed from a durable combination of steel and plastic, it weighs 4.3 pounds for improved handling. Integrated magnets provide additional stability when working with metal parts, and a rotating handle ensures efficient and precise clamping for a seamless workflow. Huiman seeder is a specialized tool designed to simplify the process of sowing seeds into the soil. It features a 35-pound grain tank with a spreading radius of 10 to 25 feet, allowing for even seed distribution across the area. The device is user-friendly and designed for comfort. It is worn on the shoulders, secured with an adjustable strap, and positioned on the chest. The seeder operates on a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, providing up to 3 hours of continuous runtime. Weighing only 6 pounds excluding the seeds, the unit is lightweight and easy to handle. The diffuser is thoughtfully engineered to facilitate maintenance and cleaning, making it an efficient and practical tool for large-scale planting tasks. Skill-corded sander is a highly adaptable tool suitable for various sanding tasks. Equipped with a microfilter and dust collector, it includes 3 interchangeable attachments and 12 sheets of assorted grits. Powered by a robust 1.2 amp motor, it delivers an impressive 13,500 RPM, ensuring efficient and precise material handling. The versatile attachments accommodate large, small, contoured surfaces, corners, and edges, while the quick-change nozzle system simplifies transitions. Its 1.25-inch dust port connects easily to a vacuum for instant debris removal. Designed for comfort, the sander features a low-vibration operation and an ergonomic rubberized grip for enhanced control.